Maplelyf Talks. So ngayon po, meron tayong very special guest. She's very close to our hearts, and she's a sister in Christ. So today, we will talk about yung TFW to PR success story ni Sister Jenny. So Sister Jenny, hi, thank you so much sa
Yeah, thank you for having
say yes.
me. Of course.
Sa pag-say yes sa aming invitation to share your success story. So, first and foremost, can you give us like yung background mo sa Pinas before you arrive here in Canada?
So, hi guys, I am Jenny Casimiro, and of course, I'm from the Philippines, and I'm a happily married woman with one child. And way back home, I'm a former manager at McDonald's, and with my 8 years management experience, it serves as my stepping stone to pursue my Canadian dream. So, malaking tulong talaga yung McDonald's para sa akin na nag-build ng character ko, nag-build ng leadership skills ko, and of course, yung management experience talaga ang isa sa malaking factor. Kasi yan yung mga naging requirements ko para makapag-apply dito sa Canada.
Wow. So, it's parang direct, di ba? Parang directly related siya sa in-apply mo.
Yes.
And then, can you also share what's your, paano ka nakarating dito?
So, yung may mga different process ako na ginawa to apply dito sa Canada. So, isa sa mga agency na talagang mapatangkilik ay ang Mercan Agency or Mercan Canada Philippines Incorporated. So, I did undergo orientation from Ilocos Norte to Manila. So from that orientation, I was able to learn kung paano mag-apply dito sa Canada. So kailangan pala talaga is required talaga ang IELTS. Number one ang IELTS. Yes, IELTS talaga. Kasi hindi ka magkakaroon ng employer kung wala kang IELTS. And of course, mahirap ang IELTS kasi English is not our first language. Ika nga. So nag-under ako ng review, and by the grace of God, nakapasa naman tayo. And after ng IELTS, dun ka magkaroon talaga ng employer.
Meron bang requirements for IELTS score?
Yes, you should achieve at least 6 sa lahat ng
score.
listening, reading, writing, and speaking.
Okay, so IELTS band 6 dapat, so level 6.
Exactly.
So aside from IELTS, pwede bang kumuha yung mga CELPIP?
Yeah, pwede din ng CELPIP. Pero ang requirements ni Mercan pag CELPIP is dapat 7 naman.
Mas mataas.
Mas mataas siya.
Pero sis, ano yung motivation mo? Bakit ka pumunta sa Canada?
Of course, yung number one reason talaga is family. Dahil, of course, gusto ko sila mabigyan ng magandang buhay. And of course, Canada. Canada is a great place to live. Canada is a land of opportunity. Wherein may magandang sahod, magandang level of education for my daughter. And of course, yung health benefits talaga.
Yes. And you're one of the very blessed na temporary foreign worker who was able to bring your family here for just a matter of few months. Diba? Can you share how long?
So, when I arrived here in Canada just last June 11, 2021, and when nag-inquire ako sa aking agency, I was able to get a positive answer na pwede ko silang kunin kahit hindi pa ako permanent resident. So, I was able to complete the needed requirements by September. So, September 29, ipasa na lahat sa IRCC. So, tuloy-tuloy na. After nang napasses sa IRCC, October, medical, November, biometrics, and by the grace of God, December, visa na agad. So, it took me like 5 months process para sa kanilang application.
But it's very short na.
Yes, very short.
That's to clarify na yung only PR can bring their family. So no po. Ito po yung patunay na even a temporary foreign worker could already bring their family here in Canada so long as you provide the necessary requirements. Diba?
Yun ang tawag na family reunification program dito sa Canada.
Okay, so family reunification program. So ilalagay natin yan sa description. Also, so 5 months lang, diba?
5 months lang yung application nila.
So, magkano ba yung dapat i-prepare nila if they would want to,
for the family?
Sa'yo muna as a main applicant.
As a main applicant,